Welcome, everyone. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through how to create a blog post using One-Click Blog. One-Click Blog offers two methods for generating blog content: the 4-step blog wizard and instant article. For this session, we'll focus on the 4-step blog wizard. Let's dive in. Our topic for this blog will be pizzas. First, we'll enter pizza as our topic and generate some keywords. Here are the suggested keywords. You can sort them by difficulty, search volume, CPC, and trend. We'll select pizza as our keyword, accept it, and generate title ideas. The initial titles are decent, but let's try one more time. This title looks intriguing. The history of pizza, from ancient times to today. We'll go with this one and move on to generate the outline. One-Click Blog has suggested several sections for the outline, and I'm happy with them. You can always drop specific sections if needed, but I want to extend the article length. Let's accept the outline and generate the article. Great! Here's the final result, organized into sections and paragraphs as specified. I haven't added images yet, so let's include those and generate the article once more. Generating images might take a little longer, just a couple of minutes. And here's the final result with images. One-Click Blog currently uses Flux One to generate images. At the bottom of the article, you'll find metadata, and the source is One-Click Blog used to create the text. I'm pleased with the final outcome. As the admin of One-Click Blog, I can post the article directly to our platform and choose the category for the post. Alternatively, you can share it publicly or privately, in read-only mode or with editing permissions. For now, let's share it publicly in read-only mode. Here's the link to the blog we generated in this tutorial. Thanks for watching.